beauties. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieve my dream lashes with drugstore mascara. Before you ask what's wrong with this look here, is because I'm going to try this without eyeliner and with. For everyone that doesn't wear eyeliner at all, this is for you. And if you wear liner, just so you can see how the lashes would look with eyeliner as well. So I'm going to be using the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is in waterproof and it's by L'Oreal. This is very hyped. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara if you love drugstore and if you love high-end. If you want me to do a video comparing both, like one on each eye, and I'll definitely do that. I've been dying to do that video, but in this video I'll show you drugstore. It'll be a very quick and easy video just showing you what I do. The reason I like to do waterproof is because my eyelashes are very straight and I find that the waterproof formula holds my curl better, and I also have to go ahead and curl my lashes first. So I'm going to do this eye here first. I'm just going to curl them. Give it a couple of pumps, and I'll do that several times. And when you have the perfect curl you want to go ahead and go with the mascara right away so you don't lose the curl. I know some people like to curl the lashes after they applied mascara. Personally, don't like to do that, so I curl my lashes before. Alright, so this is such a beautiful, beautiful mascara. This is what the wand looks like. And let's go ahead and apply this quickly, so we'll see the transformation. So I'm making sure to start from the bottom and I'm wiggling it up. I start from the center and then I go right all the way from the bottom to the top. Alright, so that is insane. Like, that is just one coat and it's insane. Look how it looks. And this little corner is always so hard for me to get mascara, so I just put my pinky there and I try to just like look down and hold it, pressing up. And that just helps. And as you see, my eyelash is not looking clumpy. Definitely gave me a lot of volume. Like, look at this. You can't even see it. My eyelashes are so tiny and this looks really like curled up, which I love. Let me just go ahead and do that one coat on this one as well. Oh, I almost forgot to curl, and that is a big no-no. That'll make a huge difference. Again, from the center up. Go to my right. This application, as you see, is not going onto my eyelid or anything. Alright, so you're able to tell a lot more on this side that doesn't have the eyeliner. So before that dries completely, I want to go ahead and put a second coat. I'm going to start again from the center. And I'm just making sure that they stay nice and separated. Obviously, this is personal preference. If you want to stop at one, you can. I'm just going to take that part here and just put my pinky and look down. I do sell a lash comb like this, and if you feel like they're sticking together or anything, you can just run this through them. Gorgeous. Like, can you even believe it's just a huge difference. You'll have people asking you, like, are you wearing falsies? Like, it's happened to me and they don't even believe that's just the mascara. So I definitely love the formula of this mascara. It's just what works amazing for me. This mascara is highly rated, the waterproof and the non-waterproof version. Never tried this one. I highly recommend it. So again, you don't have to do the 2 coats. You could even do one more if you want. And that's what I like. Like, this is perfect for me. So put in the bottom so you can see the effect. I'm just being very careful when applying this. And for this, all I'm doing is taking the brush and just brushing down. This is not the best size for the bottom lashes, also skip the bottom lashes if you don't like it, but I love applying it. It's a completely different look and effect. It really opens your eyes. So let me know down in the comments what is your favorite drugstore mascara, and also remember to let me know if you want to see the comparison of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara with the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal.